Hey yo, we are back in the fridge, so you know what time it is. It is TikTok time. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, there is a viral TikTok going crazy right now on the net, and that is the Big Mac tacos. Not only are we going to make and rate this, we are going to level it up and make a version of our own that is going to be 5 stars guaranteed. Without any further ado, let's go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of More Seasoning. My name is Farnum, and I'm married. That's right, we married now. We over here a whole husband. Hey, we got these Big Mac tacos, but let's really see what they're about. Come on.
If I had $1 for every comment that told me there's no ketchup in Big Mac sauce, I think I'd be rich.
Oh.
So I did the research on how to properly make it, and this is how it's done. I figured I might as well make it again so that I could try out the Big Mac tacos. So you're gonna combine mayo, mustard, sweet pickle relish, white vinegar, paprika, which is what actually gives it that color, then some onion powder, garlic powder, and white pepper. And I'm sorry, but I still have to add ketchup because I love it. Then you'll find the ground beef onto your flour tortillas, add salt and pepper, and then throw it on the pan to cook, flip it over, add the cheese, let it get melted, and then you just add all your toppings to enjoy. We
gotta try this. Let's go. What did we tell the manager of the produce department? Let us in. We're gonna cut this super thin, and I want it as thin as the chances of me getting 100 million subscribers. Thin. All right, I won't lie, you might cry from your eye because we have to use a knife to cut this onion up. Let's do it. Hey, yo, you see the mayo. We gotta make this sauce, let's go. The rumors in the streets, you mustard. Mustard? Hey, that's my cousin Vinny. I want you to relish in the fact that we almost have 500,000 subs. A little onion powder, a little garlic powder, smoked pappy. Yo, my bad, I was just trying to catch up. All right, let's go ahead and mix. All right, now I gotta be honest with y'all. This just kind of tastes like burger sauce to me and not necessarily Thousand Island, which is kind of what Big Mac sauce is. Don't get me wrong, it's good, but it's just not giving Big Mac yet. Maybe once we put everything together, let's go. You and I, we need a meat because we got beef. Get it, meat, beef? No, okay, sorry. All right, we're taking that 80-20 and then we are just going to spread it out onto these tortillas. Nice and thin, almost smash burger style. Go ahead and hit it with some salt on both and that pepper. Hey, before we whip these tacos up and make our own version, we gotta talk about today's sponsor, and that is Bright Cellars. Now, let me tell you why I love Bright Cellars. They're a wine subscription company, and they are gonna help you find the wines that you love. And let me tell you straight up, as somebody who cooks a lot and makes a lot of food and eats out a lot, I should know what wines I like. But truthfully, it's such an intimidating field to get in that I really don't dabble in wine at all. Like even at my wedding, I did not have a glass of wine because I just wasn't experienced enough to really know what I was doing. So on Bright Cellars' website, you're gonna take a 7-question quiz, and it's gonna help identify just exactly what wines you are going to like. And what's really helpful is they send you these little cards on each bottle that comes. So for people like me who don't know what wines and what flavors pair well with what food, these were a game changer. I literally make dinner around these, and me and Jacqueline will try it out. I know you've been to the grocery store, you've seen a million wines, and you probably have 2 that you like. The whole point of Bright Cellars, they're gonna customize the shipment to your palate, so you get to try a bunch of wines that you're almost guaranteed to like. And if you don't like a bottle, they will replace it. So I want to say thank you to Bright Cellars for giving you guys a limited time discount of $100 off your subscription. All you got to do is click the link in the description below, start that quiz and get it popping today. Let's go. All right, so now we're gonna take this beef and we're just gonna go like this in 2 pans, and then we just let it rock. All right, let's flip these things. I don't see any grease in the pan, which is nice. So we're just gonna go under like so. All right, a little bit of grease. Oh yeah, that's definitely got some grease lightning action right there. Gotta hit it with some cheese and lit them up. I mean, the bottom is crispy. Let's go ahead and plate and figure it out. Let me just show y'all what the grease level is looking like right now. That is, oh man, look at that. All right, peep it out. So we've got our 2 little tacos right now. We're gonna dress them up, so let's do it. We'll start with a little bit of Big Mac sauce. Then we can go lettuce, white onion, pickles, and then we're gonna finish off with a little more Big Mac sauce on top, and then, ooh, a little crispy vibe. Big Mac taco, TikTok style. 3, 2, 1. Yo, that's delicious. Big Cam, taste test.
Definitely tastes like a Big Mac.
Is it good?
Yeah.
All right, so 1 out of 5 stars, what are you giving us?
3.
You give it a 3?
Give it a 3.
All right, he gives it a 3. Me personally, on my star scale, I'm giving that like a 4.2. I think it's damn near as good as it can be, but there is a few things I feel like we could add to it. Let's go. All right, so it's time to film my version of the Big Mac taco. Now, there are a few call outs that I have and some adjustments we're gonna make, this being number 1. If we're gonna level this thing up to a 5-star, let's do it for real. Right here, we have got a chuck roast boneless that we're gonna ground up ourselves. It's gonna give us like an 80-20 ground beef kind of feel. It's gonna be beautiful. Let's ground it up. All right, so we've got our steak sliced up nice and thin and into little cubes, and you might be wondering how we're gonna ground it up. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've got the KitchenAid ground meat attachment, so all we're gonna do is feed it into here. It's gonna spit it out, and we are gonna have homemade ground beef, and we'll know exactly what we are eating. So let's start. Here we go, first one. All right, so as you can see, we've got that whole steak ground up right here. Now look at this. These are a little large though, okay? And they're not as malleable as we'd like. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run it through one more time, and it's gonna spit it out even finer. It'll be perfect. Let's go. There it is, baby, beautiful. Now look at that. That looks like ground beef you get from the store. Look how beautiful that is. We've got our fat in there, that solid muscle. All right, let's get the rest of this prep work done. I wanna change the sauce up a little bit. We'll do that right now. All right, we'll keep it the same with the mayo, keeping it the same with the mustard. Really? Ain't it a sin that we're using Vin? Ketchup, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika. Now we're adding cayenne because we want a little kick. Then we're gonna add a little garlic paste. And this one right here, I know some of y'all might be grossed out, but I'm telling you, this is a flavor hack. Little anchovy paste right here, just like that. And now we mix. Now we're gonna give this a try compared to the other one. One more thing she doesn't add is some tomato. Every Big Mac needs a little tomato. So what I'm gonna do, we'll just take the top off. We're only gonna use about this much. We're gonna throw these into little cubes. There it is, right there. And we just cover our tacos with the cubed Roman tomato. Hit it with a little salt if you want as well. All right, game time, baby. So we got our freshly ground meat right here. Now what we're gonna do is spread that out. All right, another big change we're making is we have our burger seasoning here. I'm not gonna waste your time and tell you how to make this. If you wanna check it out, it's in this video right here where we make a Whopper, and it is delicious. Just a few ingredients, but it levels it up. So here we go. Some burger seasoning. Oh my goodness, absolutely. Burger seasoning. Okay, at this point, we're gonna slide over to the stove and let's cook this up. All right, so another change we're doing. Instead of using American cheese, which they're great on burgers, I got this Havarti pepper cream, and this is supposed to melt incredibly well. So we're gonna try that on our burger as well. As far as the American, it went in the bowl? No. All right, let's cook. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Yo, it smells different. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Now, Havarti cream on one, and then we're gonna do half and half on this one. So we'll do half American, half Havarti cream, and then we let them rock. All right, so here we go. Let's check the bottom, make sure it's toasty. It is. That's number one. Number two right there. Now I am curious to see what the level of grease is gonna look like. So let's slide over here. All right, here's a grease test. As you can see, still got some juices, still got some grease in there. All right, so we're gonna go half and half. Bomb, 2 pops of that sauce. We're going lettuce, little onion, little tomato. Then we're gonna go a little bit more sauce right on the top. Some beautiful pickles right along the side. And there it is. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready for this taste test. I can't wait. Here we go, the upgraded TikTok version, nice and juicy, fresh beef. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God.
Yo, the meat, you guys, what the crap, bro. All right, so we're gonna run a star scale real quick. Cam, you gave the original a 3. What are you giving the 2.0?
I'm giving this one a 5 all the way around.
He's giving it a 5 out of 5. Me personally, I thought the original one was absolutely delicious by itself. Obviously, this is quite a bit more work, but look at how much steak we got left over, or should I say ground beef, that we could throw in the fridge or freezer. I'm definitely gonna use this on Memorial Day this weekend. That's a 5. Like, the taste of the meat was so much different. You ever have a burger and you bite into it and then you kind of feel like greasy and dirty after? That does not happen at all with this. It tasted like literally like a steak. Flavoring was amazing. The tomatoes were great. The sauce was elevated. 5 out of 5. That was a fire recipe. Ladies and gentlemen, you gotta be kidding me. A 5-star Big Mac taco is what we just did. We handled business. Shout out to the original creator though, because those were delicious by themselves. If you got the extra money and you wanna put in the extra effort, of course you could ground your own meat, but just adding that seasoning to the burger, switching up the sauce a little bit, made it absolutely delectable. Hey, if you made it this far, please hit that like and subscribe button down below. Make sure you drop a comment down there. I'm always shooting the shit with y'all. My name is Farnum. This is More Seasoning, and those were the Big Mac tacos, 5-star edition. We out.